Obi wanda, Obi, onye kaye, kele, kele turu, 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 kele, my God, Yadubo, Yabo Ente, kele. You're telling truth. Kele. You're telling truth. Kele. You're telling truth. Kele. Telling truth.
Sorry.
What's it?
It's 5 meters. Please. Everybody move. 5 meters.
National.
All the way along.
Okay.
5 meters. 5 meters.
National.
5 meters, please. This move ahead. Please, everybody move, please. Abure, 5 meters. 5 meters. Everybody, 5 meters. Wide up. States. This vessel. Yeah, follow, yeah. Hey.
Labour Party, forward ever. Labour Party, forward ever. Thank you very much. Let me appreciate every one of us here today, but let me follow protocol. Thank you very much, the national chairman of our party, for coming down all the way from Abuja to join us today in the mega rally we are doing today and the final rally we are doing today. We really appreciate you, and some of the ESCO members from the national level here present. You are really welcome to our midst. I would also want to use this medium to appreciate our Labour Party state chairman, the lioness, the lioness, the one that can stand with you come rain, come sun, the one that can be with you anytime, the one that stand by the truth and obey everything. It's my pleasure to really thank Pastor, Dr. Mrs. Dayo Ekon. I also want to appreciate my secretary. He stood by me. The secretary of our great party at the state level. The undefeatable Sam Obala, the strong man of Labour Party. I appreciate your presence and I thank you for everything you have been doing for the party as well. I appreciate all the ESCO's members present here today, all our leaders as well. I appreciate Baboloye, I appreciate Veteran Che. I thank everyone here present here for coming out to be with us today. I use this opportunity to appreciate every one of us that have left what they have been doing since morning and have been here. Even with the issue of APC, even with the threat, you still stood on your ground and you still believe on Labour Party and you still believe we can do it. Thank you very much. I appreciate every one of you. The major thing I will say right now, come Saturday, let us use this opportunity. We might not be staying here. You have families, you have friends, you have colleagues, you have relatives that stays in Surulere. Send out them on Saturday. Let them come out for the party that stands for change, for the party that believes in change, for the party that believes in a better Nigeria. brothers. I want all of us to. I also appreciate every woman here present. And I want to say, let everybody on Saturday tell your brothers, your sisters to come out and vote. We have security. There is no problem. Don't be threatened by APC. I repeat, don't be threatened by APC. We have the numbers. Vote is in the mind. You know who you want to vote for. Come out and vote for Labour Party. That is the party that can do it. Come Saturday. Thank you very much, everybody.
Labour Party. LP. Thank you, every one of you, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you for your patience. I want to thank you for your commitments. I want to thank you for your dedication to the cause of a new Nigeria, which Labour Party stands for. Yes, thank you, everybody, because this is the first gathering we're having after the election. We have all come together to fight a noble cause. That's right. And by the grace of God, with God on our side, we did what no other party could achieve since 1999. Yes. We broke the jinx and we achieved the unachievable. Yes. We achieved the unthinkable.
You can say it again.
It is because of the collective efforts of each and every one of us.
Yes, sir.
I really want to thank you. I really want to thank you. Yes, without shishi.
Yeah!
If it is my money, we cannot measure up with the giants.
Yes, ma'am.
But I want to assure you that Surulere is very important at this stage.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, because we know that when the giants came out to terrorize, he sent a David.
The Pharisees and the Sadducees.
He sent a David, that small boy, even without the weapon and armory.
Yes, sir.
But at the end of the day,
Yes, ma'am.
David dislodged and brought down the giants.
Yes, sir.
And we're going to replicate this.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Surulere, are you ready?
Yes,
Surulere, are you ready?
Yes,
And on this premise, I want you to give with a loud ovation to our national chairman that is ever supportive. True thing and thing, even within a short notice, you will see him with us.
Yes,
We are not taking
sir.
you for granted. We appreciate you.
Yes.
We appreciate you. And we appreciate every effort, everything that you've been doing to support Lagos State, especially without any funding.
Yes, sir.
But when it comes to giving us that support and boost our morals, you are always there for us. Labour Party! With the joy of the Lord, let's give honor to whom honor is due.
Yes.
I want to humbly hand over the mic. Special, great, national.
Labour Party. For whatever. Papa, Mama, Pikin. Let me acknowledge the state chairman of our great party in Lagos. Acknowledge the state secretary and indeed all other members of the state working committee here present. Let me acknowledge our other leaders who are here present. Wale Okumiyi, who is here with us this evening.
Let me also acknowledge our leader, Oloye, who is also here with us. I also want to acknowledge all other leaders who, but he missed his flight and couldn't make it here to this event. We were in Plateau 3 days back, and yesterday we had planned together that we'll be in Enugu together, and then from Enugu we will be here in the morning. Unfortunately for me, I missed my flight with him yesterday to Enugu. I couldn't join him in Enugu. This morning he was supposed to join the 8:40 flight. My own flight was for 8 o'clock from Abuja to Lagos. Unfortunately, his own airline, Nigeria United, rescheduled their flights for 2 p.m. today. And so the flight was again rescheduled. He had to go to Abuja, and the bottom line is that he's unable to make it here. But I'm here, and the spirit is here. The obedient spirit is still moving. Yes. And whether they like it or not, this constituency, Surulere, we will take it over and win it. Yes. I have said everywhere that it is not capturing power that matters. It is what you do with power. Power is not an end in itself. It is a means to an end. Today, we all know the economic situation in the country. Things have even deteriorated. And luckily, God has delivered Surulere in our hands. And that's why he created this vacancy. Today, I must congratulate you, because for the first time in the history of Lagos, we have rep members in our kitchen. We have House of Assembly members in our kitchen. And I'm sure that very, very soon, if not for the court cases, they would have been making the difference in the House. And that's why we are appealing to the people of Surulere to increase our number in the House by electing our own brother, our own friend, our own comrade, who is tested, who is trusted, who have the capacity, who have the credentials, who has the street capacity to be able to take over the Federal House of Rep of Surulere. And so I want to appeal to you that come Saturday, we should all troop out in our numbers. Even though they have technically disrupted our rally for today, we have refused to remain discouraged. Disrupting the rally is not the solution to winning the election. What is most important is that the people of Surulere, one, know who is their friend. They know who will represent them better. And there's no other person than engineer. Who is the people's choice? Who is the people's choice? Who is the people's choice? Is he anointed? Yes. Is he anointed? Yes. By who? By God. So he's different from those that the Godfathers have anointed. Who will work for the people of Surulere once? So please, let all of us come out en masse and vote for him.
Raise his hands up.
Those who are here and those who are not here, you have a responsibility. Tomorrow, let us do the mosquito campaign. Tomorrow is the election. So tomorrow, let us finish the work.
Yes. Door to door.
Those of us that are here from this night, let us not go and sleep.
Yes.
This night and tomorrow morning, let's not go and sleep.
Yes.
Let us move from house to house.
Door to door.
Let us move from door to door.
Yes.
Let us prove one thing, that it is not the paid crowd that wins election.
Yes.
That it is the work, your capacity, your good work, your good name that win election. Let us prove that once. To present our House of Rep candidates who has the capacity, who have the character. Obedient movement, is it not based on capacity? Yes. Is it not based on proactiveness? Yes. Is it not based on performance? Yes. Is it not based on character? Yes. I now have the honor to say, without any tears on my cheek, without any fear of contradiction, that Adeola Adebanjo, alias Kele, is the only one that has the capacity,
Capability.
the competence,
Yes,
the capability,
Yes,
the proactiveness,
Yes,
the result-oriented,
Yes,
and what it takes to represent the people of Surulere. I therefore want to present Labour Party! Labour Party! Let me now hand over the flag to him and then give him the microphone to make some few remarks. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.